Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick and this is Reverend Fat's Breakdowns. Today I'm going to talk about this awesome website, Vectorizer.io, that I found. I had wanted to do this video and then Professor Stink asked me, he's got a few 3D printers and he was asking me how I get my SVGs. So I thought I would do this and I will show you how I did his. Um, Death Bat. He is 1062. So I'm gonna first say go to vectorizer.io. Now you need credits. I have credits over here. Each download is 1 credit. So I got their most popular um, pricing, which is 100 credits for $10. So it's 10 cents a download. To be honest, at this point, my next purchase will maybe be the $1,000 one because I just absolutely love this program. Anyway, so we go to vectorizer.io, upload image, JPEG, PNG. You can literally just go to your OpenSea, click your link, uh, save this, just do a save as, name it, whatever you want, and then come over here, upload, select it. My laptop's pretty slow, so while this does this, actually, I'm going to put my settings. I like this algorithm no overlap. This is due to pulling it into a 3D modeling program. This gives me all my elements as clickable objects, which would probably, I'll have to explain that in another video. So now, my settings, so like I said, my settings, no overlap. Scroll down here, auto anti-aliasing, noise reduction, it just automatically goes to high, and I do the roundness of the roundness. I leave minimum area on 5 pixels squared. I wish the site would allow you to save all this stuff, but it is what it is. So from here, um, on the left-hand side, we have our color palettes. They have a remove background, but I found it works fairly well. But what I'm about to show, I feel works even better. So uh, we really only, in this particular death bat, we don't have very many colors. We got black, gray, white, purple, yellow. So we got 5 colors that we need to worry about. All the background stuff we don't need. So might even be able to choose as long as we have black, gray, white, yellow, black, gray, white. Yeah, so this looks and purple. 6 colors here. Let's see if that has enough black, white, yellow. We're missing gray in this one. Yeah, see, so there you can see all the gray left in that one. So if I go to 8, if I go to 8 colors right here, on the right hand side in the output options, you can see we got black. We don't need brown. Don't need these other colors. Really, all we need, if we click up here after I deselect those and click up there, it takes away those colors. So now all we have left is, our black, our purple, our gray, our yellow, and our white. Um, so from here, what I started doing is I started taking notes in a Google spreadsheet, which I may share at some point. I click on each color that I want, and I mark that down. Uh, Not that I plan on buying custom colored filament in any time, but somebody else may want to. They may say, I want this purple as close as possible, and maybe they can get someone to make filament that color. I just thought it was a neat idea and nice to have. So if we zoom in, if you look on the left and the right, you can clearly see how clean these lines are, which just makes it so nice for importing into the 3D modeling program I use, Fusion 360. Um, but yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, it took away everything inside the little between the wing and the hat and the skull. It's pretty clean. There's a gap in between the teeth there, so that makes those two different objects in the modeling program. So next I'll have to do how I import the SVGs and go about modeling in Fusion 360, but hopefully, so then, yeah, I was gonna say hopefully this helps, but one last thing I'll show is if you buy credits, you want to, and you're gonna use these for 3D printing, um, you need to check, you need to download them as zip files. If you download them as SVG version 1.1, 1.0, or 1.1, it just come out weird. Um, but with the zip, it's great because I can actually show you. Oh, I didn't do this one. Let me see. Oh, well, I can show you right now because I haven't done it. Let me download this. Just a second. All right, and so then in here you have layers, and so these are. Let's do this. This is what you get. Each one of these are objects that I can then easily select in my 3D modeling program. So pretty cool stuff, huh? Great program. It's worth every penny. If I was to pay somebody to do these clean of the lines, um, it'd just be, it costs, it takes somebody, it took me a long time to try to, when I first did this in the modeling program. So anyway, if we can get Matt and Sin to have them release all of these separate entities in Illustrator or Photoshop, that'd be awesome. All right. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.